Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I will show you where to find the service tag, aka serial number of your laptop. So your laptop service tag is typed on the back cover of the device. So first of all, let me close the lid and turn the laptop around so I can show you the exact location. And on this label you'll be able to find the ST indicator, which stands for serial tag, and the characters next to it is your serial tag, or your service tag, or your serial number. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.